Attach or reposition factory-supplied fixing lugs prior to installation. Use a minimum of 2 fixing lugs per side, spaced equally. Longer fixing lugs should be used for the top of the frame in order to fix around lintels. After your lugs have been fixed, carefully position your door or window in the prepared opening. Use bricks, wedges and shims to keep your door or window in position prior to securing. Secure the bottom of your frame first, making sure it is perfectly level. Now fix your sides next, making sure they are level. Use nail-in anchors to secure the frame to the reveal. It is not necessary to fix the frame to both sides of the reveal. One side is usually sufficient. Now test to determine if the frame is properly fixed. It is always a good idea to overfix any part of the frame prior to securing. Do not fix into the lintels. Rather overfix your lugs around the lintel into the wall, as drilling into a lintel could weaken the lintel. Once secured, use shims or spacers to level out any overfixing and tension of the frame. Now open and test the frame to make sure your door is functioning well before you start with finishing.